Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you Claude Code Unlimited best alternative. So in this website, if you simply type on Google, this website will come. It's actually a AI coding agent. You can directly install this on terminal. It gives you $50 of free credits every month. So once you land on this website, I've also given the link in the description of the website. So this is the landing page. It's similar to Claude Code, Codex, or any AI terminal coding agent where you specify the prompt and then it will build out a full stack coding application. It's completely open source. As you can see, it's available on GitHub, almost having 500 GitHub stars. So it's very new platform. I just explored it a week back, and it's giving me $50 of free credits. So the installation is quite simple. The curl command is given. If you are on Windows, you simply copy this command, and if you have, you can simply open PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. If you are inside Windows, simply open that and paste this command. So as you can see, as soon as you paste this command, I think for this, it is mentioned that you need to require WSL. WSL is nothing but Windows subset for Linux. So fortunately, this is present inside my system. So WSL. So it's a simple software for running Linux kind of applications inside your Windows system. If you don't have installed this, simply install this and then simply paste this command to download this software. So now if you see, it will download this AI coding agent. It will install this. So once the download complete, you will see that. So the setup is quite simple. After you do that, you need to go to the app dot inside this website settings. So it will give you a free API key. So you can log in with your Google account. It's quite simple. Configuration is quite simple. So for every free account, it gives you $50 of free credits, which is more than enough to try out the platform. So every month you will get $50 of free credits. So if your credits are over, you can wait for the next month to get another 50 credits. So once you authenticate, now right here, you will see that $50 of free credits is for your organization. And now if you see, we have this. So in the account section, you will see this option API keys. So simply click on that and click on create API key. Just give it a name. Click on create and simply copy this. So now open that WSL window. So right here, simply type this command KIM, Kimchi setup. And right here you need to paste the API key. Press enter. It will validate your API key. After that, you will get this message, done. So now your API key has been successfully validated. Now you can actually start this software. Simply type Kimchi. So from here, Kimchi will look at skill files in the selected directories. So it will install this setup complete. So now you will see this is your agent. So now right here, you basically get free access. We have the model Kimi K2. You can also switch to another model as well. Right here, you specify any kind of question right here. Let's suppose I say top 10 frameworks of Node in 2026. You can ask any kind of question. It can be a application or a web related question. You can see it is actually performing the web search. So right here at the bottom, you will see that how much context it is consuming. 21,000 tokens, 10% of context. So right here it gives you the top 10 frameworks of Node.js. It gives you this description. You can see that. It also gives you the number of downloads, GitHub stars, a short little description as well. So I think it's a pretty good alternative to Claude Code if you are looking forward. It behaves similar to Claude Code, the performance that I have saw in the last week. It's completely free, giving you $50 of free credits every month. So now right here I will simply say build a React.js image to PDF client-side web app in browser. So I've written this prompt here to build out a full stack React.js image to PDF application. So now you will see what it will do. It will divide the application into different steps, and after that it will complete each step at one time. So you will see that it converted this application into a variety of steps. First of all, it will design a client-side image to PDF application. It's giving you a short little description how the application will look like. So now, does this layout look good to you? Any components you would like to add, remove, or modify? It is asking you. So if you have some other requirement, you can mention right here. Or if you are happy with it, simply tell yes, go and build. I am happy. So now it will do the actual coding. You can even change the themes colors as well by simply running the command settings, go to themes. You can even change the colors as well. So I simply say looks good. After that, now the AI will start generating the application. So as you can see, it's completely free and unlimited Claude code, behaves similar to Claude code. So it actually showing each steps what it is doing right here. It is downloading the dependencies. So it will write the CSS theme file. So once it completes, you will get a notification that the application is complete. You can check out the application in browser. So it's actually a terminal AI coding agent similar to Claude Code. So it's also complete open source. I have shown you all the steps. You need to create this API key after you authenticate. So for every free account, you actually get $50 of free credits. So as you can see, no credit card required. $50 per month free credits will be there, which is more than enough. So you can see that. So if I check right here, my some credits have been consumed. As you can see, it's a brand new account. Now the credits are remaining $49.86. So as you can see, we are some building it. It also shows you the request. These are different models which are there. Kimi K2, Minimax, Neomotrons. These are some of the models which are there. It's fairly a new platform, and definitely check this out. And in the coming weeks, they will add more models as well. So this will only get better. So this is a new platform. That's why I decided to make this video, because not much people are using it. So that's why you should take the opportunity and use this platform. So once it completes, your application will be generated. The setup is quite simple. If you are on Windows, I've shown you the step-by-step instructions. So, so definitely check this out. Rate limits, as you can see, it's fairly unlimited because they are giving you $50 of free credits. You can integrate with other tools as well if you have Open Code Clean, Claude Code Continue, Cursor, Windsor.